Welcome back, Jamie Hatley here again from Crossfader, and we have a brand new Serato DJ Pro tip just for you today. In this trick, we're going to look at manual loop settings and how to transition from one BPM range to another. It's a pretty unorthodox way to do it, but it works with certain tracks. Let's look at a few examples.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me.
Using God's Plan by Drake, we can loop the vocal for 4 beats, then undo and re-loop the last 2 beats of the bar.
You know how I like it when you loving on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. You know how I like it when you loving.
Now, by pressing the out adjust, you can use the jog wheel to change the length of the loop manually. As we bring it tighter, the BPM will change accordingly, meaning you can tighten the loop right down to the next track's original BPM. Remember to press the out adjust again to lock the new loop in place. You can then get creative with the loop to lead into the next track. In this example, I decided to add a bit of scratching. In the next example, we're going to use Intoxicated by Martin Solveig to transition down to DJ Snake's Turn Down For What. The idea here is to loop one note from the Intoxicated melody, then tighten that down. For this example, it's going to be a quick mix, so I'm straight into the next build-up by using my hot cues. Using a few effects such as reverb and filter, we can make one beat loop mix into the next track and not sound too intense.
Now this trick will only work with certain tracks. Try and pick out something that is isolated by itself, i.e. a vocal that is just by itself in the track, or a piece of the melody like we did with Intoxicated. It's a note that's by itself that we can then edit and transition and create shorter or longer versions of it. It won't work with everything. This is a pretty unorthodox way to transition, but I just wanted to quickly share this with you so you could come up with your own ideas, potentially using this technique. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in our next Serato DJ tips video very soon. Please remember to subscribe, like, share and comment, do all that good stuff to help us keep making videos just like this one.